Good morning. Instead of evening, it's Monday morning for me. I had a busy weekend, so I didn't look at charts before, but yeah. Beginning of the week, I wanted to short oil because we were at the top of this range here, which we broke. And now we are finding some support here. So yeah, it's just waiting until we head or higher, or we come back here for a retest, maybe retest this middle zone again before going higher, or we go to the bottom to here. Who knows? Pound, Australian dollar. Was this week or was this last week? Last week was this. Seeing if we can respect this channel here. I know this is not the best, but it touches this side here, so which was the last swing point before we went up. So yeah, we can all change this here. That's the previous top. Current top. Used to be a bottom. Now our bottom is here. Yeah, we're just gonna see how this plays out. I did saw that there was a gap down open here, so that might indicate that we might go lower. Pound Swiss franc. This was a nice trade from last week. I think I tried to sell it here. I tried to sell it here. I got stopped out of this one. I stayed in this one, and then I saw that we cut the upper duplication channel, which was a beautiful entry, and I got directly a reaction of it. So this was the second entry. This is where I took profit. Right at the bottom, and this middle size here, line here, because this is the 50% of the two duplication channels. Okay. This can go, this can go, this can go. I drew this here to see if we would respect that, so I'm just gonna leave it here now. And then I have this channel here. I am short here. I know it's Monday, but this was a very nice touch. 800. So I'm hoping that we can catch this bottom again. Yeah, nothing really to say. I'm hoping that we can go to the bottom here, to these duplications, and then looking to buy. That would be ideal. Yeah, just hoping that this comes down. GJ from last week, this was the entry. This should have been another entry with the 50%. Broke the bottom, so this is previous. This is still the top. So then the real bottom was here. Very messy, nothing really, yeah, to do or to see here. It's gonna be a short week, short video today. Euro USD, the breakout out of this was very nice. We got a nice retest of it, and then it was hop, 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 hop. So now we are sitting here in this declining channel. See how we behave here. Still bottom, top. Yeah, still nothing to see. Maybe if we can go here, we sell it. Maybe if we can come back here, we can buy it. Who knows? A lot of things going on here, because this is also the lower channel. Bigger, I mean. So if you can touch these lines again, then I might be interesting to buy again. The bottom was made here, so we broke this the bottom was made here. As you see with the yen pressure, it was very messy. Nothing to do. Really nothing to do. Tops was here, so this was previous. Now we have it here. I'm not gonna put it on yet. We're gonna see what happens. Again, I don't really see maybe a retest of this channel. Maybe we see some declining shit going on. Nope. This was nice. This was a sell that I put last 2 weeks ago, yeah. Because this week this was during NFP or whatever, or some news event, whatever. Still between top and bottom of this big leg, but this looks very nice to maybe buy. Although I don't like this outrageous move here, so I don't know if we can duplicate it. That's a pretty big duplication channel, but then it's the trick if we can move this to here. There we touch the 50%. Oh. Declining channels to buy are mostly the best, so this was a nice support. Maybe we can find something extra here. Oh, now I can see my time zones. Yeah. Pardon. Buys for here, so if we look, this is very nice. This is the bottom of a channel almost, so it would be cooler if we can go down. So maybe this is just, yeah, saying us one day buy here, but then actually we go lower and then we can have it at a better price here. So I'm gonna wait this out. UJ is in a very cool spot, so we broke outside this range, hit it into 146, and then range back up. So now we are at the bottom retesting of that range. I'm very sorry. It's still morning for me. So a lot of people will be selling here. That's for sure. So I'm just gonna wait this shit out. Top of a channel though, you know, good reason to sell. But still, this looks too obvious. This was a loss of last week, so how do I explain this? We had the breakout out of this channel here. Beautiful retest. Got inside this channel back. A retest up, went to the top. Slowly went here. This was a news event. Shook everybody out, and then we held steady support on these two things. So my point was, okay, we have a pulse here. We reject this line. We come back to support here, we reject another time this line, and then we go lower to this. But then here we are outside the duplication channel. So we got a retest of the duplication and just went lower. So this was a beautiful sell. And now this can go, this can go, this can go, this can go. This all can go. Now I'm very interested how we will behave here, because we are back in this declining channel. Maybe we can move back up to here. Maybe this channel will get us back in here, or we just go lower. If we look at the, this can also go. Still bottom and top. But if you look at the daily, we are here at some, even weekly. Was it weekly? this can still be the driving motor, because this push up here, this has all just been corrective. And then we have the breakout higher to this duplication channel. We find resistance here and then don't really break out, so now we are just ranging between these things here. So treat it as a range. I'm still figuring this one out, how it moves, what it likes. So far I don't like it. See if we can respect this yeah, kind of channel here. Let's start completely over. That's what I mean by trying to figure it out. I need to sense how this pair works, or likes to work. Nothing to worry. Silver! These fuckers keep going. Gold's getting a little bit corrective pullback. Very cool. Short here from last week, because we touched this duplication channel, which is the one that we have here from the wicks. I see the breakout out of this channel, and then we have some retest maybe back. Let's see what this tells us. Beautiful. See what I mean? Retest also of this bigger channel here, so maybe we can retest it here now and then go back down. We will see. Yeah, this was also shitty PA. My thought process was, okay, bottom of this declining channel, bottom of this duplication bigger channel. If you look, we are here. Last time that we here, we rose until from 60, no, lower, from 62 until 171. So this is the same plan that I am hoping here, that we touch it once, touch it twice, and now we go up. I'm not anymore in this position. I got stopped out right here, but I keep the vibe going. See where we at. Yeah, okay. Let me just hit that, put it in my notes. Okay, 1 minute left. BTC at the bottom of this channel here. Maybe we go lower, maybe we go higher, who gives a shit. Ripple, same at the bottom of the channel. If I would buy it, I would buy it now. Indices. Still going for the fucking new highs. All-time highs. This could be a nice respective thing to do. Ooh. Cheesy. Alright, that was it. Until next week.